Hello and welcome to Tech Tips Podcast number 17, Finding Special Characters on Your Keyboard. Today I'd like to show you how to access some special characters on your keyboard. So if you're typing a document or a quiz or a test and you want to actually type the cent sign or the degree sign or the sign for pi, you can do that. They are on your keyboard. It's just a matter of finding them, and that's what I'd like to show you how to do. We're going to start by setting up some easy access to those characters. So we're going to go into System Preferences. When we get into System Preferences, I will tell you that mine does look a little bit different than what yours probably will, but I'll walk you through that and it shouldn't be a problem. So on the top line of System Preferences, you'll see mine says Language and Text, where yours will say International. So you want to click on International, and all the way on the right you should have something that says Input Menu. Mine says Input Sources, but yours should say Import Menu. Click on that tab. And once you're in there, you are going to see two checkboxes, one for Character Palette and one for Keyboard Viewer. You want to make sure that you check both of those. Mine has one box that I'm going to check, but yours should have two. So make sure both of those are checked. Character Palette and Keyboard Viewer. Once you do that, you can quit out of System Preferences, and in your top toolbar you should now see a new icon up at the top. Yours probably is an American flag. So once we do that, we'll show you how to find the special characters. So I have an open Office document that I'm working in, and let's say that you want to type a math problem, and you say Lauren has 45 cents, but you want to actually type the cent sign. It's not on your keyboard where it shows you, but it is there. So if you go up to that icon and choose Show Keyboard Viewer, you will see a keyboard that pops up. If you press Shift, it will show you what happens if you use the Shift and the other key combination. So Shift 4 is the dollar sign. If you hold the Option key, it also shows you choices. And if you notice, Option 4 is the cent sign. So Shift 4 is dollar, Option 4 is the cent sign. So all you do is Option 4 and it types in the cent sign for you. So if you're going to use degrees, it is 56 degrees and you want to actually use the degree sign. I'm going to hold Option down, find my degree sign, which is right here, and that is Option K. So Option K, and it gives you the degree sign. And finally, if you're working on math formulas and you want to write something like 2 pi r. So 2, hold the Option key again, find pi, which is P for pi, Option P, 2 pi r, and there's your math formula. So you'll notice that there are lots of other symbols there if you're looking for. It's just a matter of knowing where those are, and the Option key will help you do that. Now you'll notice that some of those are in orange. Those are special characters that require one extra step to use. So we'll show you how to do that. If we're writing in Spanish and we want to write mañana, where the tilde is over the N, and write M-A. Now here's the extra step. If you hold the Option key down, you'll notice that it's Option N. You have to type the special character first, then the letter that you want over that. So Option N is the tilde, and you see it highlights it in blue, waiting for the letter that I want that to go over, which is N. And then I finish, and I have mañana with the tilde. Another example might be the accent over the I. So I want to Option, and that is Option E. There's the accent, and then I want to type the letter I want that over, which is I. So as you can see, there are several others that you can use as well, but that's how you use the orange keys that are there. So if there's something that's not on here, there's another option for you. And that, if we go back up to that icon and we do Show Character Viewer, we'll get a separate menu of all different characters. So there's math, arrows, parentheses, etc. You can go through those and look for ones that you want. So if you want to use the greater than or less than, you can click it and hit Insert. Or if you double click it, it will input it for you when you do that. So if you want to do special numbering, you could just click those in. So those are two different ways to find special characters on your keyboard if you can't find them on the regular keyboard. I hope this helps, and good luck. That will conclude another episode of the Tech Tips Podcast. I hope you find this useful. If you have any suggestions for future shows, please feel free to email me at chyde@wssd.k12.pa.us.